Okay guys, we've got an interesting one here. It's an 18 Chevy Malibu and it was getting an APP code. I will show you guys this. I was looking at live data, everything matches. This is the code that I came out to right here. Right here, this, actually no, that ain't it. Let's see. Where's that cloud report? I cleared the code and then there was no codes, okay, after I cleared it. But we had this right here, this accelerator pedal code, and then we had these two codes stored from the code being set in the other one, and then a dead key fob battery. But like I said, I drove it, no issues. So then I found a TSB on this, and so I had a TSB, and then the TSB said to look for the harness rubbing. And I couldn't find where it would be rubbing, but it's actually rubbing right down here where my Borescope's at, on a hose clamp. There's a hose clamp like right down there. I'll show you guys here on this where it's rubbing. Let's see. Let's see. This is the right spot. Right there. See that? And then I moved this underneath. See if we can get to the right spot. And it actually went through the loom. I'm not sure if I can get this to stay in place. Let me see if I can move the loom over. Oh, it just moved back in place. Man. See if we can get this back in place. Let me see if I can get a better picture. Okay guys, look at that. Right there. Right there. It looks like it's all the way through into a wire. So I'm gonna take this I'm gonna try to get this whole ECU out real quick, and then we'll try to flip that over and check it. Okay guys, got the harness open. I had to fix this one wire. I accidentally sliced it when I was trying to open the harness, but look at that. There in the center, if it focuses. Maybe it doesn't want to focus. Let's just try to clean the lens. There we go. Is it really that close? There you go. There's our damaged wire. So, and I wonder if that green and white, what is that, green and white? Yeah, let's quick look it up. I'll show you guys the TSB. See if that green and white was for our sensor. Okay guys, so we're in Protoman right here. Let's see, TSB right here. Loss of continuity within the APP sensor circuit. And if we scroll down to this TSB, it says that you'll get that code, and this is only for this car. I guess there's a special coverage too for this. Up to 150,000 miles. Let's see. So we're gonna have to rotate the hose clamp then. But right here, they had this picture right here of where it would rub, but the picture made it not obvious because I guess they already rerouted this. So let's look up our APP wires. Curious what colors they are. Let's see. Do they call it APP? Okay, APP right here. Oh, look at that, green and white. Right there, so that was probably our wire. So let me go, I'm gonna cut this wire and then I'm gonna fix it. I'll splice a new piece over it and we'll see if we can, well, actually that'll be the end of the repair then. And we'll put it back together and just make sure it all works. Actually guys, looking at this, I think our APP wire is fine. I'm just gonna put some liquid electrical tape on it. It looks solid, it feels solid. I tried yanking on it, so I'm not gonna cut it. I'm just gonna put some liquid electrical tape on it and then we'll let it dry and we'll tape it up and then we should be good to go. Because I got this liquid electrical tape right here, so we'll just put some of this on there. Okay guys, so I rotated the clamp down. Shouldn't contact anything now. There's room between the bottom heater hose and that one. See, there's a gap, so that ain't gonna rub. Got liquid electrical tape on there. I'm gonna tape this all up and then we'll put it back. Okay guys, so I got it all taped up. Looks good. Now let's try to slide this back down in here. There we go. So now we just gotta put our bolt back in. And you can see our repair there. Everything looks good. Tighten this up. Try and do this one-handed. There we go. Let's make sure we have no coats here. Let's turn the car on. There we go, car's on. Let's go back to our scan tool. Let's press our gas pedal. Make sure we have no codes. Trouble codes. Because we might have set some out there, I don't know. Nope. Start this up. We'll go back. See, it revs up. Fault scan. There we go. We're done here, guys. Report. There we go. So, hope you guys like this one. It's fixed. See you guys later.